Hello, this is a recording for Saturday, February 28th. Today's practice is titled Breathing in Morning Energy. It is a simple practice to energize your morning. So take a comfortable position and take a few comfortable, easy breaths in and out. Now become aware of the light in the room, the morning light, charged with energy and potential. Take a moment to breathe in this morning light with your whole body, soaking in its energy and potential, soaking in the beauty of the morning light with your whole being. Observe the simple breath for the next minute or so, breathing in the beauty, energy, and potential of the morning light with your whole body. Close your eyes if you'd like. I'll be silent. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to take in this energy into everything you do. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.